Earth date 11/8/18. We have been on this track for 3 hours now and have covered a total of 45 kilometres. Is there any
Very jammed up in there. Roast chicken, boneless, 3 cheese and bacon. That's what she looks like. Take that out. What's taking so long, Captain?
Takes a while to warm up.
Oh.
Well, what? Number 1. That's it.
We're at well 41, and as you can see, it's been freshly restored. I don't know how long ago, but it looks very, very, very clean. And it doesn't look like it's been here that long. Even the bucket's still shiny. So yeah, so we're at well 41. There's a sign. Just there. See? Hold the sign up. Yep. We've had a pretty good day so far today. Only been going for 2 hours, so we've done about 50 kilometres, which isn't too bad. It's about 25 kilometres an hour. We're trying to average around 110, 120 kilometres a day. I mean, we can do it quicker, but why punish our cars so much? And yeah, when we can get there in the same time, just a little bit longer. It's quite good. So, and this place has also got a toilet. So yeah, so and we've got some good water here, so we're just going to have ourselves a shower and whatnot, and then continue on our day.
Tim's just moving the car around beside the well so we can set up for the shower. After 3 days, we were so excited to have a shower to refresh, but in the excitement, we forgot to take photos. Sorry. Oh, well, that was refreshing. We're clean for another couple of days. Now we're off to well 40.
So we're out in the middle of nowhere and we thought, let's have a roast chicken for dinner tonight. So this is our roast chicken. Just going to throw it in the old trusty travel mate. 180 degrees should be good. Actually, I might turn that 150 because we don't want to cook it too fast. We're just turning it on. We're not going to worry about a timer. Roast vegetable sprinkle. A little bit of cooking spray. Roast vegetable sprinkle.
There's the other pumpkin.
Put them up in a little bowl.
What do you want the carrots? Just. You don't want it.
We're back. Doing the last potato right now.
No, I forgot to put that on there.
This worked. Miracle.
Yeah.
Very jammed up in there.
Roast chicken, boneless, 3 cheese and bacon. That's what she looks like. Take that out. We'll take that foil in the bottom.
What's that thing?
Chuck that in. Jam it in. Right, say about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So we're going to drive a little bit further. We've got a lake to go across, so we might kick a lot of time in there. And then, yeah, by the time we get to camp tonight and set ourselves up, dinner will be ready. Done. Beautiful.
A grave commemorates Michael Tobin, who was fatally speared by an Aborigine in April 1907. Tobin was a member of the exploration party led by Alfred Canning. Now, during Canning's return to Wiluna in 1907, Michael Tobin was fatally speared at Ngunnawal, well 40. In the same moment, Tobin shot and killed Mungkututu, the Aboriginal who had speared him. To this day, the reasons given for this incident are varied. One account says that Tobin had taken Mungkututu's wife, while another says that it was revenge for the theft of sacred objects by Canning's men. Well, we've just left well 39, and as you can tell by the sun, it's getting very late in the day. We were going to look for a camp, but Tim wanted to try out his light bar and do some night driving.
Well, as you can see, the oven's empty. There's our roast meal. Potato, pumpkin, carrots. I didn't get a carrot because I gave mine to Taylor. The chicken kind of cooked. There's the other pair. They're hoeing into theirs. The chicken was about 3/4, or maybe I'll say about 90% cooked. So we just chucked it in the fry pan to finish it off because we had ran out of time of driving, so we decided to just chuck them in the fry pan to finish them off. But it is absolutely beautiful.